Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about RCDF Recruitment 2021. Here are the basic details that you have to take note of. The organization name is Rajasthan Cooperative Dairy Federation Limited, Jaipur, also called as RCDF Jaipur. Post names are multiple, which are General Manager, Deputy Manager, Assistant Manager, Assistant Account Officer Grade 2, Assistant Dairy Chemist, Boiler Operator for Level 1, Boil Operator for Grade 2, Junior Engineer under Civil Branch, Lab Assistant, Dairy Technician, Electrician, Junior Accountant of Purchase or Store Supervisor, Plant Operator Grade 2, Livestock Supervisor Grade 2, Refrigerator Operator, Fitter, Welder, Helper, Dairy Worker, Dairy Supervisor for Grade 3, Village Extension Worker or Dairy Supervisor. The total number of vacancies are 503 and the starting date was already started, which was on 29th of January 2021. But the closing date is extended till 26th of February 2021 and the application mode is through online. The job location will be in Rajasthan. Here is the official website. You can check out the official website if you need further information. Moving on to the vacancy details and the qualification at the same time. For the post of a general manager, the number of vacancies are 4 with a qualification of degree and a 10 years of experience. For deputy manager, there are 27, degree with 5 years of experience. And for assistant manager, there are 96 vacancies, again graduation with 2 years of experience. For assistant account officer grade 2, only 1 vacancy, PG in commerce with a 5 years experience. Assistant dairy chemist, 10 vacancies, MSc in chemistry with a 2 years of experience. For boiler operator, there are 31 vacancies, boiler attendance certificate with 2 years of experience. Moving on, for junior engineer under civil branch, there is only 1 vacancy and the candidate should possess degree or a diploma in civil with a 2 years of experience. Lab assistant 46, BSc in chemistry, 2 years of experience. Dairy technician, 31 vacancies, diploma in mechanical or electrical dairy. Electrician 23, ITI electrical with 2 years of experience. Junior account purchase or store supervisor, 48 vacancies, commerce graduate with a 3 years of experience. Plant operator grade 2, 77 vacancies with ITI in any trade is eligible for qualification. For livestock supervisor grade 2, there are 7 vacancies and 12th grade science as their main branch with 1 year of experience. And for refrigeration operator, 20 vacancies, diploma in engineering or refrigeration. Fitter, 15 vacancies with ITI, fitter and 2 years of experience. For welder, 6 vacancies, ITI welder for 2 years of experience. For helper or dairy worker, 27 vacancies. Qualification should be 8th grade pass certificate from any school or board of education. Dairy supervisor grade 3, 13 vacancies. For village extension worker or dairy supervisor, there are 20. For both of these posts, the eligibility or the education qualification is 12th grade with 3 years of experience working as a secretary. The age limit, candidate should be a minimum of 21 years but less than 40 years as dated here. And the age relaxation is as follows. For SC, ST and BC or MBC male candidates of Rajasthan state, there are minimum age relaxation is for 5 years. And for SC, ST, BC or MBC female candidates of Rajasthan state, there is 10 years of age relaxation. For general and EWS female, there is 5. And for widow or divorce, there is no maximum age limit as such. For special abled persons, general, there are 10, BC or MBC 13. For SC and ST, 15 years is the age limit. And the application fees for general creamy layer of BC or MBC, it's rupees 1200. SC, ST, BC, EWS, MBC, it is rupees 600. And here are the salary details. According to the post that you have been selected for, the pay scale and the grade pay will be differing. For example, if you take up general manager, you will be getting a pay scale of 15,600 to 39,100 with a grade pay of 8,200. Then for deputy manager, 15,600, it's the same to 39,000, and 6,600 will be the grade pay. For assistant manager, it's the same, but the grade pay is only 5,400. For assistant account officer, 9,300 to 34,800, and the grade pay will be 4,200. For assistant dairy chemist, it is 9,300 to 34,800, and the grade pay is 3,600. So according to the post, the pay scale and the grade pay will be differing. So some of them, as I've mentioned, you can check them out, which is here on the screen. Moving on, the selection process, the candidate have to take an online examination and an interview or a skill test. Here is a link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description box as well, so you can check it out and get the direct access of the link to apply. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.